Welcome to Atomic Habits, Mastering the Art of 1% Improvements. In this video, we will delve into the powerful concepts shared by James Clear in his best-selling book, Atomic Habits. Whether you're a beginner looking to build positive habits or an advanced enthusiast aiming to optimize your daily routines, this video will guide you through the process of transforming small actions into life-altering habits. Let's get started. Section 1. The Power of Atomic Habits. In this section, we will uncover the power of atomic habits and how they shape our lives. By focusing on tiny, actionable steps, we can harness the compounding effect and create significant changes. James Clear's revolutionary ideas will challenge your perception of habits, motivation, and personal growth. Section 2. The 4 Laws of Atomic Habits. Here, we will explore the 4 laws introduced by James Clear, the fundamental principles that transform ordinary habits into extraordinary results. These laws include: make it obvious, make it attractive, make it easy, and make it satisfying. We will dive deep into each law, providing practical examples and actionable steps to implement them effectively. Get ready to revolutionize your approach to habit formation. Section 3. Habit Stacking and Habit Cues. Now, let's explore the concept of habit stacking, a powerful technique to link new habits to existing ones. By leveraging the habits we already possess, we can create a strong foundation to incorporate positive changes effortlessly. Additionally, we will uncover the significance of habit cues and how they impact our behaviors. Learn how to identify and utilize these cues to reinforce your desired habits. Section 4. Breaking Bad Habits. In this section, we will focus on breaking bad habits, exploring strategies to overcome the obstacles that hinder progress. James Clear provides us with valuable insights on habit reversal, tracking, and creating an environment that is resistant to our negative habits. Discover powerful techniques to eliminate unwanted behaviors and replace them with healthier alternatives. Section 5. Habit Tracking and Reinforcement. Habit tracking plays a vital role in maintaining consistency and reinforcing positive behaviors. Learn about various methods to track your habits effectively, ensuring that you stay accountable and motivated throughout your journey. We will also discuss the importance of reinforcement and celebrate small victories that lead to long-term success. Congratulations! You have now gathered the essential knowledge required to master the art of atomic habits. By implementing the teachings of James Clear, you can transform your life one small action at a time. Remember, it's the consistent application of these principles that leads to lasting change. Now, go out there and build the habits that will shape your future. Thank you for watching Atomic Habits, Mastering the Art of 1% Improvements. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others on their own habit transformation journey. Until next time, keep striving for continuous improvement, one atomic habit at a time.